Post-processing is an application which acts as central cockpit from which manufacturing output tasks can be configured and executed. The user only needs to hit the button so that manufacturing data will be generated in background. All information is stored in the database. If necessary, the configuration can be saved to disk and loaded into another design. The command can be invoked from File, Export, Post-processing. In this example here, a post-processing default job is already defined. A job represents a collection of tasks which are executed sequentially. Multiple jobs can be defined. Instead of enabling or disabling individual tasks, the user simply defines a new job with the corresponding tasks enabled. When generating data, user only needs to select the job from the drop-down and hit Run. A task represents a function from PCB Editor which generates data. A task can be a standard function from PCB Editor, for example artwork generation, NC drill generation, a user-defined macro, or any other skill application, for example batch plot. In this example here, we update dynamic shapes first. Before running the process, we clean all files with extension .art. A standard BOM will be generated. NC drill data and legion data are created next. Artwork data, PDF export that generates a PDF file for all defined artworks of the design. And finally, we create a zip file that includes Gerber data, drill, and BOM data. If a task needs to be configured, simply select task and select RMB setup. Let's start the process by clicking on Run. Application starts and will create manufacturing output as defined. The zip file includes all files with the specified extensions. Let's configure the job configuration. We select PDF export task and delete it. We insert a new task, a predefined one, batch plot, all plot sets. We may double check setup again. And this one here is creating a more detailed output with additional assembly views, including variants directed into separate PDF files. We added the zip task to include the PDF file. Let's start the process. The zip file now includes our detailed PDF files.